Hello everyone, I am back again with a quick hairstyle tutorial. I'll be making a simple ponytail. If this interests you to watch, please stay tuned. I want to thank all my subscribers for always coming back to watch my video. And if you are new to this channel, please do not hesitate to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So I use a water-based gel and the edge control gel. So I want to encourage you to make sure that your hair is fully moisturized before you can apply any gel to your hair, especially if you have a natural hair, a fussy hair like mine. Make sure your hair is fully moisturized and make sure you are patient enough, because if you are not patient enough, I don't think you will be able to brush this hair through. So be patient and brush this hair down the way you want it. It actually took me time, but at the end I was able to slick it down the way I want it. So after brushing this hair, you want to tie this hair down. Tie it down for at least 40 minutes so that everything will slick together. And the hair I'll be using for this hair is one of the Mali brand, Kinky, Mali, yes, Kinky Mali Kinky, I don't know, but that's the hair I use on this hair. The hair already comes with rubber band, so you just have to secure it. Make sure it's fully secure. Then you use a bobble pin and secure it down so that it will have a secured base. And the next thing you're going to do to make sure that this is fully secured is to pull small hair out and wrap it around. Keep wrapping it, wrap and wrap and wrap it down to secure the base very well. Yeah, I'm just pulling my edges a little bit just to make it look more natural. So this is actually my first style. So you can actually leave it like that, or you separate the hair. Make sure you separate the hair into two. Then you try and twist it. Your twist must be very loose. Make sure you are twisting very loose, very loose. So that's the only way the hair is going to come out fluffy, looking like this. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. I love this style. It's so beautiful. You can also add some hair accessories to this, as you are seeing now. Just look at it. It's so beautiful. I think I love this style. So you can also style it in a different way. I have different way I style this hair. Just look at it. It's so beautiful. So the next step you are going to style this hair is you take one of the pieces, then you try and twist it. Please do not twist tight. I actually twist this hair tight here, but I want to tell you, do not twist it too tight. Make it a little bit fluffy. So twist the second one, then you wrap it around your head. Make sure you wrap it around one. Take one out and wrap it around your head. So this style is actually beautiful. If you can leave it like this, is another style. So just take one out and wrap it around your head. Use a bobble pin and secure it. Look at this, queen. Look at this. So beautiful. So beautiful. I love this hair. One thing about this hair, you can style it anyhow you want it. Just look at this one. Just look at it. It's so beautiful. This is actually another style, a very beautiful one. Look at this. I am actually looking like a queen, an African queen. This hairstyle is so beautiful. And finally, this is my last styling. I love this so much. You just have to take the hair and wrap it like a bun. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your time. Thank you. See you all in my next video.